When it comes to growing your business, two standout names are on everyone's lips: Pipedrive or Zendesk. Which one really delivers? On the left, Pipedrive, built to streamline your sales pipeline. And on the right, Zendesk, made to exceed customer expectations. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. So before we jump in, here's a quick mind map of what we're comparing: sales pipeline management, customer support, integrations, pricing, and reporting and analytics. You know, the real stuff that matters when you're scaling or just trying to stay organized. First up, let's talk about sales pipeline management. Pipedrive? Oh man, this is what they do. It's got these visual pipelines that just make it so easy to drag deals from one stage to the next. Need automation? It's there. Lead organization? Super smooth. But yeah, if you're hoping for deep customer service features, you won't really get that here. Now, Zendesk. Sure, you've got Zendesk Sell for basic pipeline management, but honestly, it doesn't feel as intuitive or as fun to use as Pipedrive's boards. It's a little more clunky, if you ask me. So in this round, Pipedrive definitely takes the crown for pipeline management. All right, let's switch gears and talk customer support. Pipedrive does have some basic support tools, sure, but when it comes to channels, it's kind of limited. Don't expect full-on multi-channel support. Zendesk, though, wow. Omni-channel vibes, AI-powered automation, and all sorts of cool workflow features. The setup's a bit much, I won't lie, but once you're in, your team is set. Zendesk is the clear winner here for support. Moving over to integrations. Pipedrive keeps things simple. There are a ton of apps you can hook up, but, well, Zendesk takes this to another level. The list of integrations is huge. Plus, their API is super robust. Lots of possibilities if your IT folks are feeling ambitious. Downside, it can get kind of technical if you're just starting out. If you're all about options, Zendesk is the one to beat here. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know both Pipedrive and Zendesk are now expanding their capabilities to overlap more in CRM and customer service? It's kind of wild seeing all these features bleed together. The lines are getting blurry, folks. Let's talk money. Pricing. Pipedrive starts at a pretty friendly $14 a month, so affordable, especially if you're scrappy or just starting up. Sure, the cheaper plans don't have all the bells and whistles, but hey, it gets things done. Zendesk, on the other hand, packs in more advanced features, which is great, but you're looking at $19 a month to start. The price difference is real. If you want to save, Pipedrive's the winner here. Now, reporting and analytics. Pipedrive's got the basics covered. You'll get your sales stats, your deal trackers, things like that. But, if you love slicing and dicing data, you might feel kind of limited. Zendesk, though, advanced reporting, super detailed analytics, almost too much sometimes. It can be overwhelming, but power users will love it. Zendesk wins on analytics for sure. All right, here's a quick look at the scores. If you're visual like me, the radar chart pretty much spells it out. Pipedrive absolutely dominates in sales pipeline and pricing, while Zendesk rules customer support, integrations, and analytics. So, if you're the kind of team who needs seamless pipeline management and you don't want to spend a ton, Pipedrive is totally your jam. But if customer support is a bigger deal and you want every integration under the sun, honestly, you just can't beat Zendesk. Want more deep dives and hot takes on tools like these? Subscribe or follow, because I've got more reviews and tips coming your way. Stay ahead with the latest CRM and customer service trends.